Here, ratios for leaving cert business. So under profitability, there are two questions that we're going to ask. So the first question is, are we making enough profit? Okay, so we'll have a sentence that we're going to have to come up with when we've done our calculations. So the sentence would say something like, we are, or maybe we are not making enough profit now. When we say we're not making enough profit, what we're doing is we're saying to ourselves that we put money into the business. In this case, the finance by shows the money invested in the business. And usually for most businesses, money is invested by two groups of people. One would be shareholders and the second would be the bank. So the bank might lend money to the business. Now, looking in finance by here, I can see that there's no mortgage or loan of any kind, so the bank didn't invest money in this business. All the money came from the shareholders. Initially they put in this, but then some profits were saved in the business. So there's a total of 153 grand of shareholders' money in the business now. So are we making enough profit from that money put into the business? So what we do is, we look at our profit over here, there's 52 grand. So 153 grand has been put in, and it's generated a profit of 52. Are we happy with that? Well, if we put our 153 grand into a bank account, which is a nice safe place to save our money, we'll probably be making an interest rate at the moment of about 2%. So really we need to be making a lot more than that. So I would be aiming for a figure of 6 to 10%. That's the figure that we should be aiming for. So back to my sentence here. So we say we are or we're not making enough profit compared to the bank rate. Okay, so that's the sentence I'm going to have at the end when we're doing our maths. So our formula for it, net profit, and we'll have that as a sum over capital employed, and then we'll make this into a percentage by multiplying by 100 over 1. Okay, so, and again, when we're doing this, we're looking for a figure, a minimum of, let's say, 8%. 2% is what I would have got in the bank, but 8% compensates me for the risks that I'm taking, putting into the business, because it's not guaranteed. So that's the first question that we've asked ourselves about profitability. Are we making enough profit?